Welcome back, friends. Thanks for tuning in today to Tiffkneebaby TV. I hope that you're already subscribed to my channel, but if you are not, I need you to hit that button before we begin. I have a double header today that I'm bringing to you from Laura's Hair and Beauty World. She sent me 2 braided wigs to review for you, the first of which I am already wearing and I am giving away. Make sure you check down below in the description box for the contest entry rules. Give this video a big thumbs up. I'm feeling a little bit under the weather, so this is probably going to be a voiceover, but as always, you guys are going to get to watch me work. Alright, so first up we have this really cute little throw and go unit, you guys. This is built on a closure, and it is in this really pretty midnight blue color.
Now I have this styled half up, but you could definitely wear this all down if you'd prefer. This is a closure unit, as I mentioned. It is a crochet unit. It does have an elastic band, and there's a mesh cap in the back, so this is what the back looks like. Alright, so now on to what you came to see. So this company reached out and offered to send me any wig of my choice to review. I chose a Brock's Braid frontal unit with bleached knots. This is a 27-30 blend. It's 28 to 30 inches long. I asked for it to have minimal baby hair with a natural density, and I said that I wanted to be able to put the top in a bun without it being too heavy or bulky, but that I also didn't want it to look thin. I ordered a medium cap. As you can see, this is very large, definitely big head friendly. Here's what the scalp looks like. There are a lot of braids on this frontal. It's very, very dense. Moving right along to installation. This unit is very long. As I mentioned, it's about 28 to 30 inches, so it's definitely hip length. The density of the braids in the back looks excellent. There aren't any gaps or any spaces, but I do notice that it's a little bit uneven in the length. You can wear this half up, half down. I'm going to show you a different styling option here. With units like this, it's really important to me to be able to wear it half up so that the braids aren't all in my face. And overall, this unit is not very heavy. I would say that it's got a very natural weight to it. It's not bulky. I am trimming these supposedly minimal baby hairs down. I had to pluck a lot of hairs out of this, you guys. I actually ended up going back in with my razor comb to thin it out quite a bit. I really like the quality of the braids. They're very even, they're very uniform, and they're very neatly braided. Here's all of the hair to the front. Here is a look at the ends. Very, very neat. This is going to be a perfect braided unit for summer.
So I'm back with my final thoughts on this unit from Laura's Hair and Beauty World. Thank you so much for sending this over for me to review. It's been an absolute pleasure. I love the color on this, you guys. This color is absolutely gorgeous. The density on these braids is rather great. It's a little bit bulky, especially in the crown, but it is very full, and I'm sure that if you'd prefer a more natural density, that is something that they can accommodate. Overall, the craftsmanship of this unit is outstanding, and it is very, very well done, and this is absolutely a great high-quality braided unit, and I highly recommend it. Make sure that if you haven't already subscribed, to hit that button so that you can make sure that you don't miss any of my future uploads. Make sure that the notification bell is also on so that you get notifications when my videos drop. Thank you so much for watching Tiffkneebaby TV. I appreciate the time that you spent rocking with me today, sis. Have a wonderful rest of your day, loves. Bye, friends.